Hello everyone, this is Mehdi from SolarEx in Berkeley, California. Today I'm going to show you how the custom color option works for our SolarEx 300, which is a UV protected roof coating. It's also applicable on exterior walls. Alright, the color that customer needs is a custom color from another company, which is Sherwin-Williams. It's one of the most famous painting manufacturer in the United States. The customer choose the color from their color collection, and I'm going to show you how it works on our tinting system. Let's see. Alright, this is the color collection that I mentioned from Sherwin-Williams paint company. The customer likes this color. See, it's SW0023. Every color has a specific name, but what's important for us to look up the color is the code. So in this program we have two options. See, if we want to scan a sample, we have this option with this device. This is a spectrophotometer, and but now we know the color, so we go to the color lookup and then look for the color code that we have, SW0023. Okay, let's see. Okay, alright, exactly the same name and code number from Sherwin-Williams color correction. Okay, I'm going to continue the process quickly. These are some kind of the process. It's about the paint line, the product line, and all I need is just go ahead until to get the formula. Exterior, we want to tint a 5-gallon bucket. Okay, so I'm going to choose 5-gallon, auto base select, auto illuminate select, and all. Now here we go, we have the formula here, and the easiest way to dispense the colorants to our paint is like this, just a click. Okay. Alright, and it gives the receipt for the formula. And all we need is just it has the name of the color, formula, and everything, and I put this label on the bucket for future use if they need more. All we need is just take this bucket and use our shaker to mix the colorants in the paint, and that's ready to use. Alright, thanks for watching, see you next time.
Your order is here, ready to ship.